Hey there guys, what's going on? It's Chris Curtis, and I wanted to do this real quick training video on using Stumbleupon to get links back to your website or blog. Stumbleupon is a great tool to use for content ideas as well. It's one of the things that I really love about Stumble. If I want to write a blog article and I'm just out of ideas, I can stumble across websites that are related to whatever it is that I'm going to be writing about. And I don't want to plagiarize or copy the content or anything like that, but it definitely gives me content ideas. It definitely, gets my thought process going. And, for example, what happens to your body if you start smoking right now or stop smoking right now? That's an article that I could, definitely write in my own words. I could basically educate myself about this and write in my own words an article. But that's not what we're talking about today, guys. What we're talking about is leaving comments on blogs and websites that have content available. So here we can see that this is connected to Facebook. Okay, so what is this topic about? Let's look at this. Look, a PC on a stick. I'm not sure that this is really relevant to the health and wellness industry, but if it was, basically I could come down here and leave a comment that was linked back to my blog. I could share a video that I'd uploaded to Facebook. And this one in particular is linked back to my Facebook account. So this would give traffic to my Facebook profile, which I'm using to build my business. So if I'm adding really good content, if I'm adding a really good comment to this blog or to this website, a lot of people who are reading, look at all the comments here. I mean, a lot of people have commented. This article has a lot of exposure, and it's just going to provide another link back to my Facebook profile. Very easy to do. So I'll stumble on to another article here. Here we'll look down here and see if there's any comments. On this one there aren't. Go to the next one, and I just stumble through websites in my particular category, and when I find a website that does have comments, like this one right here, I can see the discuss icon right here loading. I can leave my comment here and a backlink to my website. Now, usually I wouldn't recommend that you put an actual backlink here. You definitely want to do that in your profile. Usually on stuff like this, you can actually, just link to your website from your profile, or this will actually link to this guy's profile. It'll show all his activity. It'll show his, links to his website or links to his Facebook profile and Twitter account. And the thing is when it comes to search engine optimization, backlinks aren't nearly as lucrative as they used to be unless you're linking off of high quality blogs and websites. So the more links you have out there going back to your website, the better off your website's going to be in the long run. But you want to make sure that you're leaving your link on good websites. The best place to find good websites in your particular niche is Stumbleupon. And like I said, you can really educate yourself going through this website as well. Here's some drink recipes, and look at all these comments, guys. Look how many comments there are here. Okay, all of these comments, I can click on Laura. This is going to link to Laura's website. This is going to link to Laura's blog. So that's a great backlink that Laura has right there. Look at Gina. I've got Missy Maintains. I can link to her blog. This is her blog. So you can see how once you have your WordPress profile set up in this case, it'll link back to whatever website you have in that profile. So just a great little way to get traffic, build interest about what it is that you do, get backlinks to your website. Hopefully this was helpful to you guys, and I will see you in the next video.